Anthropic, the company behind Claude, accidentally leaks 500,000 lines of source code for their secret AI coding agent through a simple packaging mistake. Within hours, the internet goes crazy. Repos get taken down with DMCA strikes, but then one absolute mad lad wakes up at 4 a.m., rewrites the entire thing from scratch in Python, and drops it on GitHub. That repo hits over 30,000 to 49,000 stars faster than almost anything in GitHub history. Today, I'm breaking down the craziest AI leak of 2026 and what it means for the future of open source AI agents. So here's exactly what went wrong. Anthropic released version 2.1.88 of their Claude Code NPM package. Inside it, a massive 60 megabyte source map file, cli.js.map. Source maps are supposed to help developers debug, but this one accidentally shipped the full readable TypeScript source code, around 1,900 files and 512,000 lines. It wasn't a hack, it was a classic, oops, we forgot to exclude the map file packaging error. Suddenly, everyone could see how Anthropic built their powerful agentic coding tool. The architecture, tool usage, telemetry, encryption tricks, even some unreleased features like Undercover Mode. But the real story starts with this guy, Sigrid Jin, also known as Instructcur. He's not just any developer. The Wall Street Journal literally wrote about him last month because he burned through 25 billion Claude tokens in a single year. He's probably the heaviest user of Claude Code on the planet. At 4 a.m., his phone starts exploding with notifications. His girlfriend, who's a copyright lawyer, tells him, "Delete it immediately. This is illegal." What does he do instead? He sits down, uses his own AI orchestration tool called Oh My Codex, and clean room rewrites the entire core architecture in Python. By sunrise, he pushes a new repo called Claude Code, and boom, it explodes. Tens of thousands of stars and forks in hours. Now people are even porting it to Rust. Here's the brilliant part. Because it's a full rewrite in a different language, it's considered a new creative work. Anthropic can DMCA the direct mirrors of the original TypeScript code, but they can't easily touch the Python version. This is called a clean room rewrite, and it might be DMCA proof. Inside the leaked code, people are already discovering cool stuff. Anti-distillation tricks, special protocols to separate agent traffic, ideas for persistent agents and multi-agent systems. The open source community is moving way faster than Anthropic can react. This leak is huge for 3 reasons. 1. Harness engineering is the new frontier. The model itself isn't everything. How you build the agent layer around it matters more and more. 2. Open source wins again. Corporate safety-first secrecy versus thousands of developers forking and improving it overnight. 3. The speed. From leak to fully functional open source alternative in less than 24 hours. This is what decentralized AI development looks like in 2026. Personally, I think this is peak 2026 AI chaos, and I'm here for it. Anthropic is probably embarrassed as hell, especially being pre-IPO, but the community just got a masterclass in how frontier AI agents are actually built. What do you think? Is Sigrid Jin a hero who accelerated open source AI, or did he cross a line? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want me to dive deeper into the actual code differences between Claude Code and Claude Code, or show you how to try the open version yourself, let me know. I'll make a follow-up. Smash like if you love AI drama, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and I'll see you in the next one.